Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In today's interconnected world, the threat of ethical hacking looms larger than ever before. Whether you're navigating the vast landscape of Web 2.0 or venturing into the uncharted territories of Web 3.0, safeguarding your digital assets is paramount. But fear not, for in this video, we'll delve into some actionable strategies to protect yourself from ethical hacking in both Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the ever-evolving threat landscape. Ethical hackers are constantly probing for vulnerabilities in both traditional Web 2.0 platforms and the decentralized networks of Web 3.0. Stay informed about the latest hacking techniques and security breaches. Next, fortify your defenses with robust authentication mechanisms. Utilize multi-factor authentication, biometric verification, and strong, unique passwords to thwart unauthorized access to your accounts and sensitive data. Keep software and systems updated. Furthermore, regularly update your software and systems. Patching known vulnerabilities is crucial in mitigating the risk of exploitation by ethical hackers. Enable automatic updates wherever possible to ensure timely protection. Encrypt your data. Encrypting your data adds an additional layer of security, rendering it unreadable to unauthorized parties. Whether you're storing files on centralized servers or decentralized networks, encryption is essential for safeguarding your information. Practice vigilance and educate yourself. Lastly, practice vigilance and educate yourself. Be wary of suspicious emails, links, and messages as they could be phishing attempts or malware vectors. Stay abreast of cybersecurity best practices and leverage resources such as online courses and forums to deepen your knowledge. By implementing these proactive measures, you can fortify your defenses against ethical hacking in both the Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 eras. Remember, your digital security is in your hands. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe.